Imagine Abraham, he was in his father's house.
uAbraham bekasemzini wakababakhe.
God coming to him
uNkulunkulu eza kuye
and he says, come out of your father's house.
athi phuma emzini wakababakho.
Is God disrespectful?
Ngabe uNkulunkulu akahloniphi
Is
na?
God undermining Abraham's father?
Ngabe uNkulunkulu unyaza ubaba kaAbraham na?
No.
Cha.
But when God comes into a house,
Kodwa uNkulunkulu makeza emzini noma endlini
he checks
uyahlola
the structure or the foundation of that house.
umumo noma usekelo salendlu leyo.
Whether it's a house built to expose slaves
Ukuthi ngabe yindlu eyakhelwe ukudalula izigcina
and also to keep sons.
nokugcina amadodana.
Every house that is built by the Father Spirit,
Yonke indlu eyakhiwe ngomoya wokubaba
it has the ability to
inokhono
expose
lokudalula
a slave and a son.
isigcila nendodana.
Jesus comes, he says,
uJesu uyeza uthi,
slaves,
Igcila
they do not abide in the Father's house forever.
asihlale emndini wakababa
He
indlu
says they
naphakade.
come in and they go out.
Ithi bayangena bayaphuma.
But sons,
Kodwa amadodana
they abide, they remain in the Father's house forever.
ayahlala emndini wababa
So
indlu
the
naphakade.
kind of a material that the Father uses
Lehlobo lempahla ubaba ayisebenzisayo
to build a house,
ukuthi akhe indlu
it can be your own house as a
ngaba
father.
indlu yakho njengobaba.
Make sure
Yenza
it
isiqiniseko
has the capacity
ukuthi
to
unomthamo
expose what is wrong.
wokudalula okungalunganga.
That's how you know that there's a Father Spirit there.
Indlela owazi ngayo ukuthi lapha kunomoya
Can
wokubaba.
expose what is wrong.
Yakhona
Meaning
ukudalula
no one
okungalunganga.
can hide
Kusho ukuthi akunamuntu okhona
where there's the Father
ukubamba.
Spirit.
Lapha kunomoya
No one
wokubaba
can
khona.
masquerade as a son,
Akekho ongazenzisa
yet being
njengendodana
a slave.
kanti ayisigcila.
That house has got that capacity
Le ndlu le inalowo
to
mthamo
expose
wokudalula
who is who.
ukuthi ubani ngubani.
So if you have such a house as a father,
Mawunendle njalo njengobaba.
imagine your daughters, your
Cabanga
sons,
amadodakazi wakho,
your children
amadodana wakho,
being
abantwana bakho
exposed,
badalulwa.
trying to hide,
Bazama ukubhanqa.
but being exposed, brought to the light.
Kodwa badalulwa balethe ekhanyeni.
Trying to do things in the hidden places,
Bazama ukwenza izinto endaweni zabo
but God
zemfihlakalo.
exposing them.
Kodwa uNkulunkulu
They
yena
are not
abadalula.
yours, even though they are with you.
Uthi abasingabakho noma banawe.
They are not yours, even though they are with.
Nakuba
Meaning they
banawe.
can be in the house,
Kusho ukuthi bangaba khona
but
lapha
they
endlini.
might not belong in the house.
Kodwa ngiyenzeka abasiba lapha ekhaya.
It's called the Father's house
Kubizwa ngendlu yakababa.
because the Father's house
Ngoba indlu yakababa
has the capacity to
inomthamo
keep
wokugcina
a slave
isigcila
and a son.
nendodana.
But a son
Kodwa indodana
also has
nayo
the capacity to remain in the father.
inawo umthamo ukuthi
But the
ihlale
slave
kubaba.
doesn't have that.
Kodwa isigcila kona sona sinako
A
lo.
slave doesn't have that.
Isigcila sinako lo.
A slave can be with the father.
Isigcila
You
singaba
can
nobaba.
give birth to a child as a father.
Ungazala umntwana njengobaba.
But you can tell that this one,
Kodwa yakhona ubona
I
ukuthi lo
gave birth to this child, but it doesn't belong to me.
ngimzalile lo mntwana kodwa akasingowami.
Meaning you can see
Kusho ukuthi yakhona ukubona
slavery in a son,
ubugcila
slavery
endodaneni.
in your child. You
Ubugcila
can see
emntaneni
that
wakho.
this one,
Yakhona ubona ukuthi lona
there's another father here,
kunomunye ubaba lapha.
not me.
Hayi mina.
There's another.
Kunomunye ubaba.
So when Jesus says, in my father's house,
uJesu makathi emzini
there are
wakababa.
many mansions.
Kunamagumbi
It's
amaningi.
not an ordinary house.
Akusiyindlu nje ejwayelekile.
So be careful how you enter that house
Qaphela ukuthi ungena njani le ndlu leyo.
as a son or a slave.
Njengendodana noma njengesigcila.
If you are a slave,
Mawuyisigcila
you will be exposed.
uzodaluleka.
You will be. Because
Uzodaluleka.
in John 8, he
Ngoba
also
kuthi
says
Yohane,
to the Pharisees and the scribes,
uthi kubaFarisi.
bathi kuye, sibantwana baka Abraham. Abraham became the father of faith.
Abraham waba ubaba wokho.
Not a father because he gave birth to children physically.
Ayi ubaba ngoba uzala abantwana
Faith made
ngokwenyama.
him a father.
Ukholo lumenza ukuthi abe
Substance,
ubaba.
believing in the unseen,
Akholelwa ukuba
qualified him to
ukungabona.
be a father. So
Kwamlungile ukuthi abe
when
ubaba.
he built a house,
Makakha indlu.
that house was able to expose
Le ndlu leyo yakhona ukudalula.
the Ishmaels
Ama-Ishmayeli
and the Isaacs.
nabo Isaac.
The Ishmaels and the,
Abo
they are all
Ishmael
born
and
in the
Isaac.
same house,
Bonke bazalwe emzini owodwa
but they are not the same.
kodwa abafani.
They are not the same.
Abafani.
It's like that also with church.
Kunjalo ke
You can
nangebandla.
have many
Ungaba nabaningi
who say, I'm submitting to my father,
abathi ngizithoba kubaba.
but their doings will show.
Kodwa izenzo zabo zizokhombisa
Here, there's no unity here.
ukuthi lapha akubunye.
There's a slave, there's a
Kunesidina.
snake, not a
Kunenyoka.
spirit of a son.
Hayi umoya wendodana.
Now, bona abantwana endlini, uzokhona ukubona. Am I lying? Khona lo umbonayo, umbona ukuthi yabona lo. Even if I can die tomorrow,
Noma ngingafa
this one,
kusasa
they will see me.
bazongibona.
This one. Now, the father knows that I've invested here.
Baba uyazi ukuthi ngitshalile lapha.
You don't invest in a slave.
Awutshali esigcineni.
A slave is going to show what is wrong.
Isigcila sizokhombisa okubi.
It's going to misinterpret you. It's
Ayesi
going to be
chaze
as if
kahle.
you are like that and you are not like that.
Kuzoba ngathi wena unjalo kanti wena usinjalo.
It's going to be as if unjalo as umzali kanti awusi, meaning they are reflecting something different.
kusho ukuthi baveza into ehlukile.
It's something that is not in the house.
Yinto engekho lapha endlini.
Where are they learning it from?
Bayifunda kuphi?
Where are they learning it from?
Bayifunda kuphi?
They must be looking somewhere.
Fanele
They
ukuba
must be learning next door
Yenza ukhona
and trying to
labafunda khona.
apply what is next door in the father's house.
Bese bazama
You'll be
ukwenza
exposed as a slave.
ngababa uzodaluleka njengesicili.
You'll be exposed, and your exposure
Uzodaluleka
will
nokudaluleka kwakho
go with sin
kuzohambisana nesono
and deception.
nenkohliso.
Okay, it's rough. Okay, let's go to John 8. John 8:35. Unjalo abantwana endlini uyakhona ukubona ukuthi lo hayi lo mama ngathini lo. Hayi noma ngikhula zange ngiphile sona nami lo. Uyakhona ukubona ukuthi uyangihlolela lo mntwana. Uyithethephi lento? Khona la funde khona. And his father or her father is Satan.
Ubaba wakho uSathane.
Read.
John chapter 8, verse 35 in
In
Amplified.
my father's house there are many
Emzini kababa
mansions.
kunamagumbi amaningi.
So it means if you learn from those mansions,
Kusho ukuthi mawufunda
you are
kulamagumbi
still
lawo,
learning about the father's house.
usafunda ngendlela
But
kababa.
if you are not learning from those mansions,
Kodwa mawungafundi
you
kulawo
are trying
magumbi,
to put in what does not belong in the house.
uzama ukufaka okungasiwa lele ndlu leyo.
Where did you learn it from?
Uyifundephi?
From the father
Ngabe kubaba
or from another?
noma komunye?
Read.
John chapter 8, verse 35 in Amplified Classic.
Take it from 34. Yeah.
Verse 34. Jesus answered them, I assure you, most solemnly I tell you, whoever commits and practices sin
Whoever commits
Noma ngabe
and
ubani owenza
practices sin
owenza isono
is the slave of
is a
sin.
slave.
uyisicili.
That's where slavery starts now.
Ilapho
You
ukugcila kuqala
practice
khona.
and you commit sin.
Uyayenza wenza
He says he's
isono.
a slave of,
Uyisicila.
but he's in the house.
Kodwa ukhona lapha endlini.
He's in church.
Ukhona esontweni.
He's singing. He's doing what.
Uyawona
But
wenza
what
noma
are
ngabe-
you practicing?
Kodwa wenzani?
You are in your parents' house.
Usemzini
What are
wabazali
you
bakho.
practicing?
Wenzani?
That's all. What are you practicing? Are you doing
Wenzani?
what you have seen from your father
Ngabe wenza
or
lokho
your
ubone kubaba
parents
wakho,
or what you
noma
have seen
abazali
next
bakho,
door?
noma wenza lokho ubone kamakhelwane.
You might be a snake
Yenze kube inyoka.
and calling your father, yet a
Bese
snake
ubiza ubaba
cannot say
ngobaba.
father to the
Inyoka
father spirit.
ayikwazi ukuthi baba kumoyeni wakababa.
You might be saying, my father,
Yenze ukuthi
but
baba baba.
the father knows the son.
Baba yayazi
John,
indodana.
Luke chapter 18, the father knows the son.
Baba yayazi
And the son
indodana.
knows
Nendodana nayo
the father.
yamazi
They
ubaba.
know each other.
Bayazana.
They're in fellowship with each other. So it means the father does not bring what is different.
Kusho ukuthi ubaba kalethe
And the
okuhlukile.
son does not bring what is different.
Nendodana nayo ilethe okuhlukile.
You bring what you sow in your father's house.
Uletha lokho
So there are
okulile
people
emzini
you
wakababa.
teach them what is in the house.
Kunabantu obafundisa lokho okulapha
But
endlini.
they are too weak
Kodwa bona babuthakathaka.
to stand the snakes that are coming in the house.
Ukuthi bamelane
You
neyinyoka
allow
ezingenayo
snakes
lapha
to
endlini.
deal with you. Who taught you?
Uvumelani ukuthi inyoka zivumelane nawe banokufundisile.
Who taught you? Who trained you?
Banokufundisile. Ubanokuqeqeshile.
Why now you come with poison?
Kungani mayisoza noshevu?
Why do you come with poison? Who
Kungani
taught
soza
you?
noshevu?
Who trained you?
Banokufundisile, banokuqeqeshile.
The one who trained you is still standing.
Lo oqeqeshile
He
usamphile.
knew how to deal with snakes.
Uyakwazi
Why are you
ukubhekana
weak today?
Kungani
You
unobuthakathaka
are no longer a
namuhla?
son, you are a slave.
Awusasiyindodana sowuyisicili.
Why are you weak?
Kungani ubuthakathaka?
Every house must be tested.
Yonke indlu fanele ivivinywe.
You are looking at someone who's esontweni uyakuvivinya. So I call you weak. Who taught you? Who
Ubani
developed you?
okufundisile, ubani okukhulisile.
It means you are saying in this house poison prospers.
Kusho ukuthi uthi kule ndlu lena
You are saying in
ishevu
this house
liyaphumelela.
division
Uthi kule
prospers.
ndlu lena inhlukaniso iyaphumelela.
Did the father divide you?
Ngabe ubaba yena unhlukanisile na?
Did the father get angry at you?
Ngabe ubaba yena
Not
unithukuthelele
talking
na?
to you and come and preach.
Bese eza
Who are you
azoshumayela.
imitating?
Wena wenzisa okwakabani? Ulingisa ubani?
Read.
Whoever commits and practices sin is the slave of sin.
Is a slave of sin.
Uyisicila sesono.
35. Now, a slave does not remain in a household permanently forever.
Repeat. A slave that some of the sons you know they are in and out. You know this is not my son.
Yazi leya kusindodana yami.
You can call me father, but I'm not yours.
Ungangibiza
And
ngobaba,
you're
kodwa
also
awusiwo
not
wami.
mine.
Nawe
The
futhi
Father
awusiwo
knows who
wami.
are his.
Ubaba
God
uyawazi
knows
abantwana
who
bakhe.
are his.
uNkulunkulu
God
uyawazi
knows what
abantwana bakhe.
belongs to him.
uNkulunkulu uyakwazi
Every
okukwakhe.
parent knows.
Wonke umzali uyazi.
And they don't know you because they gave birth to you.
Awakwazi
They
ngoba
know you
bakuzalile.
by your actions,
Bakwazi
by what
ngezenzo
you do,
zakho.
but what you're doing.
Ngezenzo zakho
What you do
ngokwenzayo.
tells your father that this one is
Okwenzayo
mine.
utshela ubaba wakho ukuthi lo ngowami.
Hayi ngokuthi umntwana wami ngumzele. Your actions can be.
Izenzo zakho.
So ungacaba ukuthi ubaba wakho uzothi, hayi wami lo ufana nami. Lapha kusebenza ukufana. Your deeds.
Izenzo zakho.
Your deeds.
Izenzo zakho.
Umntwana wakhe angafana nawe but izenzo zifana nezakabani. Uzomthandela ukuthi siyafana. Uyabona uyothanda ukuthi siyafana mara izenzo akusizwe. Who are they imitating?
Balingisa ubani?